Chapter 11. Different types of food. Let's talk about which is your favorite food? How many times in a day do you eat main meal? Which food do you like the most? Ask your mother whether the food you have been chosen is good for your health or not. We all need food to stay alive. Food gives us energy, helps us to grow, and keeps us healthy and strong. Whether the food we eat is good for our health depends on its constituents. Most of the children like junk foods and dislike fruits and vegetables as they do not know the benefit of healthy food. Let us see the difference between healthy food and junk food. Foods like milk, vegetables, fruits, and pulses help us to grow and keep us fit. These are called healthy foods. Foods like pasta, burgers, and french fries, if eaten too often, are not good for health and can make us fall sick. Thus, they are termed as junk foods. Read the poem aloud in the class. Fruits and veggies are the best. I love to have them at my desk. Milk and egg make me strong. I love them, it's not wrong. Junk food is bad as it makes me bulky and fat. Energy giving foods. The food that provide us energy to do work are called energy giving foods. They contain nutrients such as carbohydrates and fats. Some of the examples of energy giving foods are apples, almonds, sweet potatoes, wheat, rice, butter, and salmon. Bodybuilding foods. The foods that help us to grow and make our body strong are called bodybuilding foods. They contain nutrients such as proteins. Some of the examples of bodybuilding foods are eggs, fish, chicken, milk, cottage cheese, and soya bean. Protective foods. Foods that protect our body against infection and germs are called protective foods. They contain nutrients such as vitamins and minerals. Some of the examples of protective foods are peaches, carrots, cabbage, lettuce, and cherries. These three types of food groups make a wholesome diet. Wholesome diet is important for us as it contains all the necessary nutrients. Meals. The food we eat at a particular time of a day is called a meal. Balanced and healthy meal is necessary for our good health. We must have 3 main meals in a day, that is, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Breakfast is the first meal of the day. We usually have bread and butter with milk in morning. Lunch is the meal of the midday. We must have healthy and balanced diet in lunch. Dinner is the night meal. We should have a light meal at night. Besides these meals, we must eat 2 to 3 small meals like snacks, coffee, and milk per day. We must eat after every 2 to 3 hours. Importance of variety of food. We should have variety of items in our diet. This is because different variety of food contains different types of nutrients which are necessary for our growth and development. Taking nutritious food at a proper interval of time is helpful for our physical and mental growth. It protects us from various diseases. It also helps us to be active and look smart.